Welcome back to today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Here are a couple of things that I wish I knew before I started my SMMA that you should watch out for when you're starting to build yours right now. Number one is you need to understand that business owners only care about results. And as much as you want to build relationships with people, people want to see results. So make sure that before you start your SMMA, you understand the fact that human nature and psychology are going to kick into your business and make you realize that not everybody is this wholesome business owner that wants to build a relationship, that wants you to be their long-term marketer. Okay, that's not how the world works. So that's the first thing. And that leads me to the second piece, which is number two is you are in the business of pleasing people. And until you realize and find methods and tactics and strategies to get out of that business and understand that you need to build certain onboarding sequences and build certain, SOPs in the business to make sure that you're not just in the business of pleasing people, you're going to get crumpled. Your mind is going to go into certain paradigms and shifts, and you're going to realize that you're not as good as you think you are. And also, you're going to realize that you're in the business of pleasing people and that people and the customer is always right. And they're going to use that method to their advantage to try to make you feel like shit. And I say these things very bluntly because I've been in the business for 4 to 5 years. And, not just done for you clients, but coaching clients. They are just very selfish. People in the space, business owners especially, they like to say all the time, if you send me the leads, I'll close them. Or I just want to build a long-term relationship. Or you're my guy moving forward. It's all fucking bullshit. You're not, okay? You need to understand that business owners only care about, hey, I spent this amount, this much. This is how much I made. Is that fucking worth it? Nope, you're out. Yes, okay, we can keep going. Number three is going to be that you need to build a sales process in your SMMA that makes your agency predictable and profitable. Before you start scaling and getting a bunch of clients, understand what your SOPs, fulfillment processes, pricing structures, margins, and the roles in your company should be. What's going to make my service streamlined so that I'm doing less work, making more money, and having the capability to add other services in to raise my prices. A lot of SMA owners just think that they can white label their services all day long and get somebody from India or Pakistan to do it for them. That is a fallacy, okay? You cannot run a white label agency forever. Yes, you could build JVs and partnerships with other agencies that are good in specific areas and have specializations, but you will not make 7 figures only white labeling because you still have to bring that personal touch, that account management roles inside of the business to make it a more streamlined, customized, tailored agency. Okay. Number 4 is going to be that if you want to scale to 6 figures a month, you can't only just do organic outreach. You have to harness paid ads. You have to get more predictability in the business. Okay. You can't just sit there and send cold emails and cold DMs all day long and make 6 figures a month. It's not going to happen. Trust me. I tried it. My cap was about 20, 30K a month. And then you start to realize that you're so busy fulfilling in the business and then you have a money block around hiring that you're not willing to be able to scale. You're comfortable at that 20, 30K a month. And that brings me to number 5, which is that if you want to scale with paid ads, you have to be looking at one number and one number only, which is your churn rate and retention. Those are the only 2 numbers in the business that matter. What keeps the clients around longer? What deliverables do they like the most? What brings the most results with the least amount of effort? And what are the actual KPIs in clients' businesses that make them stay longer? And until you realize the numbers in your SMMA, you will not be able to scale your business, okay? You need to understand too that business owners have shiny object syndrome. They're looking for other agencies and other opportunities even while working with you. And you need to be able to bridge the gap for them to not make those decisions faster. So as soon as you start to know your 90-day lifetime value, your 30-day lifetime value, you're not going to be able to scale and as fast as you'd like. Okay, so understanding those numbers in the business and being able to plug those holes is going to be massively important for you. So those are the biggest things that I wish I knew before I started my SMMA, but don't niche down as well. Okay, that's the last piece here, which is a lot of people talk about niching down. You're not going to make 300K, 400K a month like we do by niching down. You have to touch more people. You have to have more coaches inside the business. You have to take on more payroll. You have to be willing to take on more numbers in order to make more and obviously scale. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video as an SMA owner. Hope it opened your eyes up to some things you're watching out for or things to be implementing as you scale and grow as an agency owner. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.